striving to develop the qualities of loyal followers towards the husband/father who is viewed as the leader of the family? If yes, how important is this, and does it add to any of the individual's duties beyond what is shared in Scripture about their rights and duties towards one another?
Thanks. Those qualities that we mentioned for followers don't depend on having good leaders. And it's not about a specific leader. For example, we said a good follower is the one who is rational, who has ability to analyze, who keeps things confidential, who does things to promote and be good PR. These are the qualities that we have to achieve. And then, if you have these qualities, you also know who are the people who can be good leaders, and you are more than happy to support and follow good leaders because you are looking for people to help. You are not arrogant. You don't want to become yourself leader. In the family, ideally we should have this situation that father can be a good leader and there is a followership. But maybe, for example, suppose father is not in that category. Then is the mother losing if she is a good follower in the sense that has those qualities that we mentioned? No. But how to deal with her husband needs actually those qualities. How much to show respect to her husband and how much to take direction from her husband. These are the things that she can with wisdom and humbleness understand. And certainly, at least, it's not a service to anyone if she keeps questioning or blaming or humiliating her husband in private or especially in front of children or others because she feels that he is not a good leader. And if the father has these good qualities, even if he is not himself a good leader, he can, for example, see in his wife that she can better manage. So maybe she would take advice from his wife. When there is no, hubbun nafs, when there is no ego, things become easy. They can among themselves, decide. Ayatollah Sayyid Muhammad Baqir al-Sadr rahmatullah alayh, it is mentioned in his life that he told his wife that father has to bring discipline and mother normally shows love. But he said, because I want to educate children Islamically, and his wife was not a scholar like him, he said, I play the role of mother, you play the role of father. So you be the person who disciplines them, I would be the person who gives them love but also Islamic education. It's very interesting. So when there is unity, when there is no ego between them, they can decide.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
We have two other live questions here. One says the following: is it possible to have good faith and bad actions?
Temporarily, it's possible that a person with good faith may commit bad actions. Things can go out of control randomly, but not regularly, not consistently. It's possible.
And another question here: what constitutes promoting my school of thought? Sometimes if I promote my community or people from my community, it may be unfair and even harmful if objectively they are incompetent or dishonest, etc. So what exactly do we mean by promoting or supporting our madhab other than acting upon it?
Of course, the first thing is to act upon it, to show the benefit of acting upon it. It's very important that people see in us the benefit. If you have a good medicine or if you have a good vaccine, people should see that it has worked in you. If I say I have the best vaccine and I am dying myself from the same virus, people would not want to try my vaccine. So we should act upon it. We should show people the benefit of acting upon it. We can introduce wisely this, but of course we have to be fair. We have to be respectful also to others, not offending others. We can in a constructive way say about good things that we have. As Imam Raza alayhi salam said, لو علم الناس محاسن كلامنا لاتبعونا. If people knew our beautiful sayings, they would have followed. You have to be careful. You have to select the things that people find it beautiful, because for us maybe everything is beautiful, or maybe for us something is beautiful, something is not beautiful. Actually for other people it's the other way around. Anyway, we should find out for this audience what teaching is beautiful, what teaching can help them, introduce to them without offending them, and in our akhlaq, in our behavior also show that we have benefited. Then they would be interested in knowing more and maybe other things to follow. About promoting people, it depends, because justice should not be compromised. If it is something that, for example, it's your business and you want to promote some of members of community, give them job, give them training, and you are not harming anyone, it's okay. But if you are, for example, employing people for a company, then you should act according to the policies of that company. And if you are not happy with those policies, don't work in that company. And if with justice still you can promote some people, it's okay, but never compromise about justice, never betray. So it depends on the situation.
Sheikhna, we have a beautiful full house today.
MashaAllah.
Inshallah.